Expensive cars become a very different purchase when the buyer is already underwater, carrying late payments, or shopping with a credit score in the 400s. A 2017 Ford Fusion financed at 29%, Shelby GT 350, and Hellcat shoppers chasing loans they may not qualify for, and a truck owner trying to trade through about $14,000 of negative equity, all point to the same question. Does getting approved solve the problem, or simply move more debt into the next vehicle? The answer depends on loan structure, down payment, existing debt, and how fast the vehicle loses value.
We just broke a new record in the automotive industry, and it is not a very good one. Auto loan delinquencies for subprime borrowers just hit their highest level ever recorded, and it could be signaling a serious problem for the entire car market. According to new data from Fitch, borrowers with credit scores below 620 are falling behind at a rate that we have never seen, with 60-day delinquencies jumping past the 2008 financial crisis peak. As for the driving force behind it, well, it's somewhat of like a perfect storm. We have record high vehicle prices, we have higher interest rates, and shrinking household budgets. Monthly payments that used to average $400 to $500 are now routinely $700 to $1,000. And for many families, that math just isn't really mathing anymore. The used car market is getting hit the hardest. Subprime borrowers make up a significant share of used car financing, and as those buyers struggle to keep up, repossessions are increasing, and lenders are tightening standards. That means even fewer people qualify, making the problem snowball. Experts are warning that this isn't just a consumer issue either, it is an industry issue. Dealers are seeing more applications get denied, lenders are taking bigger losses, and automakers are worrying that the bottom of the market is collapsing. If this trend continues, the ripple effect could reshape the entire car market as we head into 2026. But let me know what you guys think.
The car that you have at $21,560 loan at 29% interest rate, 29. That's like insane. And the car in tippity-toppity condition at the top is worth $8,734. You're upside down, dude.
Yeah, it was a bad decision.
Oh, what is the car?
It's a Ford Fusion.
Year?
2017. And it's really, God. The negative equity is...
Buddy, it's not even close. But why did you do it?
Because I was unemployed for 6 months. I saved loan offers that I get, and the loan offer was offering me $21,000.
Oh, no. Why do you do that?
Because I need money.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Just saving loan offers that come in the mail? Those are the most predatory loans ever, other than walking into a payday loan.
It's going to be a tough approval. We're going to work on a C60 right now, right? You owe 13 on the car?
14.8.
14.8. This car basically is worth $3,000 wholesale.
Yeah, I know. I got screwed.
You want a C63, right?
Yes.
I'm going to ask you a really outlandish question. If I gave you 14.8 in a brand new Mitsubishi, would you take it? Build your credit a little bit?
No, I'd rather take my Mercedes.
Would you rather take your Mercedes home? Okay. Can you put down anything else?
I could go to 3, but that means I'm really pushing my budget.
Okay. Got it. See if there's any possibility there's anything there. Work that out, okay?
All right.
All right, cool. What was the problem with the bank right now? Is income or the car?
Both.
Both? Okay.
It's the negative equity, the book out on the vehicle as well as
Yeah.
the credit. I told him in 6 months he'll probably flush out of his car.
Just pay it off.
Yeah, I knew I was
14,
screwed
you
on
got
it.
6.
Yeah.
Just pay off your car. You'll be fine.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah, appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. I appreciate it. Keep
Thanks
doing
for
what you're
coming.
doing.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you. Flipped.
We keep trying,
We
man.
keep trying.
We ain't stopping.
We keep trying.
I'm upside down in it by like 14,000, which that don't help. Now my credit score took a big hit. I was like at 800 and something. I'm down to 630, 645 now.
That don't help. It looks like you were looking at the 19 F250. Is that the one you wanted me to send you numbers on?
I was looking at a bighorn, I think.
Oh yeah, yep. Here's a white Ram, bighorn, or a longhorn.
Yeah, some kind of horn. What was it, 62 or something?
62.5, yes sir. Where'd you hear about us?
TikTok, I think.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, so you probably watched my videos.
Yeah, see, you guys have good prices. Like, damn, how can that be so cheap where I'm at? They're like in the 60, 70, 80,000, 90,000.
Say it louder for everybody to hear.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell? This is the deal. I have this 2024 F-150 with almost 36,000 miles on it.
Okay.
V8 Coyote, pristine condition. I haven't done nothing to it. It's got original equipment. It's an XL. I know it's a lower end model, but that's why I got it, because they gave it to me at a good price. I'm looking for like a F-250 XLT or the Dodge Ram 2500
Okay.
horn. I'm upside down in it by like 14,000, which that don't help.
Negative equity changes the math before a lender even looks at the next vehicle. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau warns that rolling an unpaid trade-in balance into a new auto loan makes the new loan more expensive and can leave the borrower further underwater. That matters for the Fusion owner and the buyer already about $14,000 upside down. A cheaper payment or a newer truck does not erase the old balance. It finances the old balance again.
He said he wants what?
The Ford.
Okay. What's going on, brother? How are you?
Hey, all is well. Just calling in regards to your Ford Mustang.
Ford Mustang? Yeah. The Shelby GT350. We still got a clean Carfax, 2 owners. We've got priced pretty aggressively. So what do you want to know about it?
One is the price is negotiable, and then what kind of arrangements you can make for someone who's coming in to get a lien for finance and things like that.
A lien, you mean a loan?
Yeah, loan. Excuse me.
No, it's all good. So basically, man, we don't negotiate over the phone. If I negotiate over the phone and we agree on a price and then you come and it's not what you expect, we'll both be disappointed and we waste the time, right? So it just helps us cut to the chase. This car is priced about $1,000 underneath market. We got it about $53,000. You want to finance? You have any money down?
My goal is to put like $500 down, a maximum of $1,000 maybe.
Okay. All right, awesome. So that means you got good credit.
Yeah, my credit's good, man.
Awesome, man. If you don't mind me asking, what's your credit score?
It's 480.
Say that one more time.
It's a 480.
480 credit score?
Yeah.
Yeah, brother. I'm not gonna lie, man. That is not a good credit score. Yeah. Unfortunately, man, for a car like this, if you have a 480 credit score and only $1,500 down, brother, it's not gonna work out, man.
What would you need?
With 40 credit score, man, we're gonna need all of it down. It's gonna be really hard to get you financed with that. Add any repos or anything like that? Why is your score so low?
A few medical bills. I don't have like a lot of things on my credit, so just
Okay.
a few medical bills.
All right, brother. Look, I appreciate your ambitiousness. I just can't get the deal done with 480 credit score, man. Unless you had like maybe 30 or 40 grand down, I could probably make something work. But here's what we can do, man. Let's get you into a car. So with the 480 down, man, $1,500 down, let's get you into like at least maybe a 5 or 6K car, and let's build your credit up so that way one day you can afford a Shelby, man. So how about this? Just put it in the app, see what we can do, and then I can give you a call here shortly and let you know, man, and see if we can make something happen.
Through everything through your website?
Yeah. I'll text you the link right now.
All right, this is Yusuf, right?
Yeah, this is Yusuf, yeah, from TikTok.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem, man.
Sounds good.
All right, brother. Later. Bye. Wow.
He's a 444 Sport. He's in the market for a Hellcat. He does not have a co-signer. How much were you asking for that car? 72. He's got 10 G's down. Cash? Yes. He's been at this job for about 2 months. First time buyer. Hey, I'm one of the managers here at Folsom Neck Dodge. I know you were interested in the pre-owned certified Hellcat that we have.
Yep.
I'm looking at your credit. Are we open for something different?
I know my credit's sitting at a strong 480 right now, but don't worry, man. I'm busy.
You're a first-time buyer. You haven't had any type of credit whatsoever. You had a couple of credit cards that unfortunately you were late on, so it caused your credit to drop down a little bit. If you're gonna be looking at a car that's gonna be at $72,000 with taxes and fees, you're probably gonna be closer about the range of 79 to 80 outdoor. Now you put in 10,000, so you're gonna be somewhere in the range of 69 to 70. It's a big loan. Even people with good credits, they definitely have the challenge of getting a loan back.
So let me ask you, so what's the longest financing y'all got? 10 years, 12?
We have them available. That's not the issue, brother. The issue is just trying to get you a loan from the bank. The biggest loan that I'm probably able to get you is going to be somewhere 30 to 35. I have a lot of vehicles available for you that range.
I get it, man. I'm trying to burn rubber.
If you want to burn rubber, I got something super fast, luxurious, or something that's going to make you cringe.
Yeah, I need something back to some blade.
I'm not going to share these vehicles with you yet because I want to surprise you with them when you come in. I'm going to have my guy go pick you up. I have about 3 or 4 of these cars, got one of your features. Do you have car insurance by any chance?
I got health insurance.
Okay. No problem. Just come on in. I'll take care of you.
428 credit score.
That is horrible.
His chances of being approved are going to be based heavily on a couple of things. Ready? How much does he have down?
You put $1,000 down.
Okay, that's not enough. He has an Ally Financial that he is past due on $11,000. So he's already got a current car loan that he's proving he's not going to pay. Like, he's telling the bank already, like, I'm not going to pay you. So the chances of another bank saying, well, maybe you'll pay us are slim. A lot of times they can buy you into a car loan. Like if somebody has $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 down, a bank will be like, well, we're in an equity position on it, so we'll take a shot on them. We don't want to spend a whole lot of time on this guy. This guy would need a big down payment. This is not somebody who's going to get approved on another car loan right now, especially with not a lot down. I agree with you. I think you should save some more money down.
Okay.
Cool?
All right.
We'll move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okie doke.
Customer out there right now looking at the Range Rover, and I think she really loves it, man. She's outside right now taking pictures of it, sending it to her friends.
Oh, I like that. That's a good sign. I mean, listen, it's a beautiful car.
But the only thing is that she wants to do 0 down, and she can't have her payment be over $750.
All right. Well, I hope she's got great credit. I mean, if she's sending pictures to her friends, I'm assuming she's got good credit. So let's pull it and see what we got here. Ronnie. That's not good, man. I'm pulling a 515 TransUnion and a 488 Experian. Says that she's got an open auto loan, but you mentioned that's been totaled out. It shows that she's 30 days past due on that auto loan, so it hasn't been paid off by the insurance yet, and it's currently past due, and she's been 30 days late 16 times on the credit. So her credit is definitely not there. I mean, 0 down, I can tell you right away, is not going to work.
The issue isn't just that the car was overpriced, but her credit history is an absolute disaster with 16 delinquencies. With this mountain of bad debt and unpaid insurance, talking about buying a car with no down payment is completely out of the question.
Well, surprisingly, I got an approval, but it's nowhere close to what she wants. I can get her done with $8,500 down, 17% interest, and without any sort of warranty or gap insurance or anything along those lines, we're at an $875 payment. So we're so far apart.
So the $0 down and $750 a month illusion turns into a brutal reality of an $8,500 down payment and $875 a month at a 17% interest rate with zero protection for the car if things go south. That's not a counteroffer. That's a whole different universe of trap.
She had no idea kind of how bad her credit situation was. She thought she was in the high 6s, low 7s. She knows that she's behind on the auto loan now, but she thought because it was totaled out and the insurance is paying it off that she doesn't have to pay it. I told her get caught up with that at least. The other late payments, she didn't realize that it was reporting to the credit. You know, she thought if it was 30 days, it wasn't reporting to. Look, she fell in hard times. She had great credit at one point, but we got an approval for her, and unfortunately, I don't think she can do the $8,500 down. So I don't know if we can get it done. Go talk to her one more time. See if $8,500 is an option for her. She needs to put a sizable amount of money down to get approved for this car. Or see if there's other options for her.
All right, Dan. So I just spoke to her, and she's not willing to settle for anything else. She really loves that car.
Beautiful car, man.
So what she's planning to do is save some more money, pay down some of her debt before making a move.
That's a wise choice from her, I think. Either way, she's going to require down payments, so she's got to save some money for that. But while she's doing that, she should kind of pay down some of her debt, start building up some credit history again. Maybe go for a little bit of a lesser car. I mean, we're talking about almost a $45,000 unit. It's a lot of car. So, I mean, unfortunately, we weren't able to get this one, but I hope she understands. I mean, obviously, there's a disconnect between where she thought she was and where she actually is. So that's all right. We'll get the next one then. All right.
Credit score alone is not the whole underwriting decision. The 480 score Shelby shopper has little cash down. The 428 score buyer is already past due on another auto loan. And the roughly $45,000 purchase with repeated late payments only gets close with $8,500 down and 17% interest. Approval can exist on paper while the required cash, APR, and monthly payment make the deal financially unrealistic.
All right, we're going to be cold calling a customer that inquired about a Dodge Hellcat, one of the Black Ghosts.
Hello, this is Terry.
Hey Terry, this is Alex Earth Motor Cars.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up, man? Hey, just giving you a call about this 2023 Black Ghost Challenger that you inquired about. The one that's one of 300, and just see if you had any questions of what I need to do to earn your business.
Yeah, man, I have been looking at cars like that before. This is Alex from Earth Motor Cars.
Yes, sir. Would you be paying cash or financing this car?
This particular one, I would be financing.
Okay, awesome. And how much money were you planning on putting down, and what's your credit like?
What can you do for me on the car? I see online that car was listed at like 140,000 or something.
Yeah, 158.9 it's online for. Again, there's only 20 miles on it, and it's one of 300. Terry, I'll be honest with you, I don't want to negotiate against myself. I definitely have some room in it to work on it. But you know, I want to get to the credit application first, make sure that we're good to go with the banks and whatnot, and then go from there. Does that work with you?
Yeah, I mean, whatever gets me into the car, like.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, if I like it, but if the numbers sound good, then I'm gonna leave that car. I'm gonna leave with that car. So,
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Do you know what your credit was the last time you checked by chance, just before we do a credit application?
Yeah, I checked earlier this year. It was like about 400, 440.
The
450.
You're saying it was. I'm sorry. You said 400.
Yeah, you asked for the credit score, so I'm telling you. And I'm not going from a Bentley to a retired cop car. You really don't know who I am, and you're lucky I ain't coming down there to get that ass.
Bro, to do what?
Or you really testing me?
I don't know what you want me to do. Set it on fire, get my money back, jog around with other bitches in it. You know what I mean? If you're not gonna help me, like you're not even trying to cheer me out or anything.
Look. Alright guys, I had this girl hit me up from TikTok. She wants to sell us a 2021 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Let's give her a call. Alright, so you want to sell me a 2021 Escalade? Is that right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you told me it has 130,000 miles. You put a lot of miles on this, huh?
Yeah, we were using it for Uber.
Okay. And why do you want to sell it?
So, I guess, like, long story short, I was dating this guy, and I helped him get the car, because I knew he was going to do Uber, and we're going to, like, pay it off.
You financed it for how much?
84 months.
84 months? Damn, that's a while. You must have good credit, though.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I got you. So, alright, so look, I just appraised the car. With that mileage, you're looking at about 40,000, on trade-in. So can you bring it by?
No. So we broke up, and I've been trying to call him about this, but he's not like picking up, he's not texting me back or anything.
The strongest lesson is that the vehicle and the loan have to be judged together. A Shelby, Hellcat, luxury SUV, or heavy-duty pickup can become a poor financial fit when negative equity, a thin down payment, high APR, or existing delinquency pushes the debt beyond what the borrower can sustain. An 84-month Escalade note adds another risk when mileage piles up quickly. The Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia cautioned in 2026 that severe auto delinquencies are elevated, but new flows into severe delinquency have been fairly stable. Choose the vehicle and the debt structure you can actually carry. Thanks for watching.